Blackboard is an online learning system that you can use to view course material for any units that you're taking at the University of Manchester. You might use Blackboard to complete and submit your coursework. You might use it to have your progress monitored with online tests and quizzes. And also you might use it to communicate and collaborate with your lecturer or other students on your course. Exactly how you use it and what you experience on there will depend on your course and what your tutor has set up. But today we're going to look at some of the basics, principles, and some of the basic tools that you come across and things you might expect during your adventures. So how to access Blackboard? You want to go to your My Manchester portal, which you can access at my.manchester.ac.uk. You'll see something like this, and in the top right you'll notice a nice big button that will take you directly to Blackboard. Now on your Blackboard homepage there will be two lists, a course list and a list of your communities. The course list at the top will show the courses that you are enrolled on, although you might not see everything that you're expecting to. You won't see second semester courses until you're in the second semester, and if you're not a first year student you won't see courses from previous years. In addition, any changes you've made to your course enrolments may take up to 48 hours to take effect. So if you bear those things in mind before you ask for help, you will see your courses there. Below there's the My Communities box. You may also hear communities referred to as programs or organisations. They will be listed there. Organisation spaces are used for non-course specific activities, usually activities which are of relevance to larger groups of students. For example, you may use one community space to complete a health and safety awareness course, another to learn about your school's academic advising schemes. It all depends on the exact course that you're on. So this is what a Blackboard course looks like. We're actually using a dummy space of mine. Instead of saying playground, yours will have your course codes and the name of your course. The principles, however, remain the same, and that is that you have the navigation links on the left and the content area on the right. So if we look in the course information area, click that link, you may find things such as deadline dates for your assignments, a course reading list. Again, it all depends on exactly what your tutor has set up. Elsewhere, in the course contents area, you'll generally find folders of information for each week of the course. Many of you will come across Turnitin, which is an assessment tool, and usually within courses there'll be the assessment link in the navigation area and a submission of coursework folder in the content area. You'll find other folders which have helpful information. And within submission of coursework there will be often a lot of information helping you, such as PDFs on how to upload, information on how to get your feedback, and importantly a note suggesting that the digital receipt you receive on submission is very important. You want to make sure you get your digital receipt, as this acts as proof that you have successfully submitted to the inbox. If you are having trouble seeing your courses, first of all you want to make sure that you've properly completed the IT sign up and have a username and password, which you can do by visiting iammanchester.ac.uk. You'll see a page like this where you can sign in to manage your account, activate it if you haven't already done so, or recover it if you happen to have forgotten your password or username. You can reset your password and find your username on this screen. You may also need to use the Student System tool, which back on My Manchester, if you look in Tools, Student System, in there you can find and make sure you are properly enrolled on the right courses that you need to be on. Again, please bear in mind that any changes to your course enrolments will take up to 48 hours to take effect, and you won't see second semester courses until you're in the second semester. There are some other tools that you might want to use, such as the Blackboard Mobile Learn app. You can either use it for your iPhone or your iPad or your iPod Touch. I believe it's also available on the Google Play Store. Another good app that you could look into using is the iManchester mobile app. This allows you to stay connected wherever you are. allowing you to find your way around the campus, search for cafes, locate your nearest PC clusters, and lots of other useful bits and pieces. So you can download that again either for your iPhone or Android. If you need any further help, there is a Blackboard user guide with general information and links to support documentation. If you go to manchester.ac.uk/studentnet/Blackboard, you can look at the basics, look specifically at Blackboard, and there's lots of good information to help you there. And if you're having any trouble with connections or accessibility, then you can go to itservices.manchester.ac.uk/help, and that will give you links to the support centre and a telephone number and various links that you can use to get help. Thank you for listening, and good luck.